very arrogant government.
Tinkhonde tisebenti tahulumende letingaphansi kwe-Public Service Association tingeletala dini lelive tifuna kushone maholo ngalokusetulu.
A revolution demands that at some point there must be killing.
Ikomishana malungelo luntu seyinikete umholo i-FF Johannes Malema amalanga nalishumi ukuthi acolise aphindze ahocise letinye tiphimiselo takhe.
We as Mamelodi Sundowns are doing a hell of a lot of work behind the scenes.
Ushambeni be-DStv Premiership Mamelodi Sundowns bafuna kuthatha i-culling break lebuya yalo nyaka. I-Sundowns yobe idlala kumncintiswano kwekuqala FNB Stadium ngomgcibelo. Koba kuhle kuhlangana emizabeni teswati lake seyibiswana lake sibukele thamba yembili lomuhla. Tinkhonde tisebenti tahulumende tingaphansi kwe-Public Service Association tingeletala dini lelive tifuna kushona umholo ngalokusetulu. Inhloso yesiteleka leselilanga linye kuvakalisa kungahambisana lo-3% lobekwe nguhulumende etafuleni. Lesiteleka lebesingelela amalungu e-PSA lathi tinkhonde ngama-230 bekulenzeka ukuthi sithikamede ekusebenta kahulumende, kepha kubonakala ngathi lesiteleka asikabi nemthelela okungadala kwethuleni kwetinsita tahulumende.
Esifundzeni saseGauteng kubonakala isimo sichubeka njengalokutayilekile kuletinye tindzawo bese kuthi kuletinye tato kwabonakala kuphathamiseka imisebenzi yemphakathi. Enhlokodolobha kubonakala tisebenti tishucele ehhovisini lemgcini mafa lapho befike bethula incwadi Tikhombisa kulabameli lelitiko baphindze basola hulumende ngenzelelo.
We are dealing with a very, very arrogant government. When they come to power in 1994, they said that they are the government who listen to people.
Tisebenti timile kulesinqumo sekungemukeli emaphesenti lamathathu lanikwa wona nguhulumende tithi tifuna emaphesenti la10 esifundzeni saKwaZulu Natal emalungu enyonyana ehospice aphume ngenkani kuyoseka inyonyana ye-PSA. Le nyonyana ithi lesinqumo sahulumende ngulesingakaconsi futhi sibukela tisebenti tahulumende phasi.
They have broken down all the trust. I mean, the trust was already broken down in 2020 when they didn't implement the last leg of the 3-year agreement. Our public sector employees have received below inflation increases for the last 2 years.
Esifundzeni saseMpumalanga komatipoti umsebenzi bewuchubeka njengalokutayilekile nakhona kulomncele kude kuphathamiseka lokubikiwe. Emaloli kanye nebantfu bancedzakale lula kepha kulomncele welibombo longemakhilomitha lambalwa emaloli ama-hour lamaningi babonakala ema-line hour hamba kancane.
Umtholo ngolayishile since ngawulayisha kuthandi namhla i-straight date solo nemtholo yi-1 solo sihlele ebhodi sesitakile sikhona ikhamba.
Kusenjalo tinsita kulomncele we-Bait Bridge kanye ne-OR Tambo atimange tiphathamiseke kakhulu kanzi nasenyakatho Kapa nako bethule incwadi Tikhombisa kundvunankulu lesifundza.
Sibutile ukuthi ngabe lesiteleka sibe nemthelela longanani ngakuwe umbono wakho yalandzela.
Mina ngikubeka eceleni ukuthi lento imchaphazela kangakanani. Ngibheka isimo sokuthi umsebenzi nomsebenzi uyadinga ukuthi akhushulele iholo ikakhulukazi kulezi zimo zempilo esesiphila kuzona izinto zonke ziyakhuphuka. Uma umholo uzohlala ndawonye ugcina ungasabona umsebenzi lapha uhulumeni akabakhuphulele.
Mina ngithi lento yokuteleka kwabasebenzi yesikameza ngempela somphakathi ngoba bavele bagcwale umgwaqo ungabe kusahambeka manje kudaleka i-traffic kanti njengoba kuyisikhathi zamaholide manje ezokuthutha ilazidingeka khona kakhulu. Uhulumeni akanyusele abasebenzi imali kuxoxiswana iphele lento yesiteleka.
Lesiteleka mina angiboni soba nethelo ezinhle njengoba ngesibo bonke abasebenzi bahulumeni abagunyaza ukuthi basingenele. Into yosiza ukuthi-ke zihlangane izinywana zibe nazo ilinye zokuthi-ke abasebenzi babo akekho nayinto osebenzayo bonke banganesiteleka. Ikona kosiza ukuthi uhulumeni akwazi ukuzizwa kahle izikhalo zabasebenzi.
Mina istrike sanamhlanje khange seniphazamise senzeke ngokuthula apha eNtshona Koloni eKapa. Ababhikishi babhikishe ngendlela enesidimane.
Thina ngapha eFriday azange sikuthola ukuphazamiseka ngenxa yesiteleka sabasebenzi kodwa ke benze ba-exercise ilungelo labo phela nabo ngokuthi bateleke. Abasi ukucindezelwa ngoba ibhlungu lento yokuthi ungasebenza ngempela isikhathi eside kangaka ungakhushulelwa imali emva kwalokho unganakwanga lutho. Ibi lento yenziwa uhulumeni.
Nasi isiteleka sithikabeta kakhulu ngoba umnyaka sewuya ngasekupheleni. Abantu labanyende bafuna ukulungisa tindlu tabo ikakhulu labanye bafuna ukulungisa tindzaba tebantwana besikolo salomnyaka lotabo wa 2023.
Lena Imibono Yebabukeli iSABC ngeke ithweswe ukuthi phendulela ngayo. Likomje parliament leliphenya ngekulungela kwemvikelo umphakathi lomisiwe M17 advocate busizwe mkhwebane ubakele sikhundla liveke isolo tecwasa ngokwebuhlanga kubameli labamnyama nabama advocates. Lokuthi emva ukuthi imali lehola ngabanye abameli labamnyama nabameli mkhwebane emacaleni nasenkantolo idzalulwe esiveni evikini lencile. Le committee nyalo iveke ukuthi letinyita letimali atisito. Bameli ababili ekuvela amagama abo kulomculo bafake isikhalo lekomiti leholela kuthena lomunye abaholi bebufakazi acolise ngaloku.
We are here to correct a distortion.
Bobabili labo makade bona bebameli kuyabonakala ukuthi abakajabuni. Baye eParliament kuyovakalisa ukunganeliseki kwabo. Bafuna munye lohola bufakazi advocate Nazin Power achaze ukuthi kuye nganti indleko tetimali tikhishelwe ezilangalaleni bangatshelwa bona.
Consistent with the most common mischief and racist perpetuation of a stereotype against black professionals, Ms. Power knowingly and purposely, in our view, brandished our names and without any context to the public, read out alarming figures of monies we're supposed to have made, almost giving the impression we were looting our system.
Bawa uthi kungendeka letimali akusito letikahle ngenxa yalendlela letibhalwe ngayo noma ngemaphutsa abongqongqomshini.
We do owe an apology, and because we had flighted it publicly, we make this apology publicly to Advocate Ongawana, Advocate Sikakana, and the others whose fees we had indicated to be incorrectly.
Lokhu bese emkhathini wale nkulumo mpikiswano ngulokukhishwa kwetindleko tetibameli ehovisini lemvikelo wesive letagcine tibite 133 million emarandi.
We reject the notion of perpetuating a stereotype against black people because this parliament was established to vanquish those stereotypes. And Ms. Power is at the heart of doing this as a colleague.
Lisikale mphathi ehovisini lemvikelo wesive Cornelius Vandameva lobeka phinzilitwa ngemibuto ubutiwe ngalolu tsaba.
Do you think that for the exercise that you were doing, it was necessary to mention people's names? You could not have said, Advocate X received so much, Advocate Y received so much, Advocate Z received so much.
Remember, these are public resources that have been expended. And what we wanted to reflect is the real-time, accurate breakdown of every invoice. And those invoices were not rendered in the name of aliases or persons. It is the real payments that were made by the public protector.
Lolu phenyo liyaqhubeka.
Kusenjalo lekomiti leliphenya lolutsaba lemvikelo umphakathi selibiyeketela uhlelo lwayo kanti selihlose kuphuthula lomsebenzi walo mhla ka-25 kuNdlovu lenkulu eminyakeni lotako. Lekomiti setawethula lesicelo salo labafanele ukuthi siphasiswe. Iparliament iphindze yabuyeketa lihlelo lwayo lokuniketa lithuba emakomiti temthetho okutsengisa ngembiko ekubanjwa kwembuso ngabhongwane nehlelo lomengameli Cyril Ramaphosa letawusetshendelwa etikwalo ngalombiko. Le komiti setawuhlangana mhla ka-23 lenyanga lesetulu. Lokutsengisa ngalombiko bekufanele kuqale ngaseceleni kwalenyanga kepha kwahlehliswa ngokubabede kwabantu abanele ukuthi ungaqhubeka lo msebenzi. Lokhu-ke kuvunyelwe ngakho kwekomiti letekuhlela iParliament lomuhla ekuseni. Lekomishana moluntu selinikete umholo EFF Julius Malema malanga lalishumi ukuthi acolise aphindze ahocise letinye tiphimiselo tatenda inshwana ngakapa ngesikhathi icembu lakhe libamba umbuthano walobitwa nge-People's Assembly enyangeni lefile. Akhuluma kwevidiyo yesikolo semabala aphakeme eBrackenfell lapho kubonakala umuntu olibalele elimhlophe ashalunga le-EFF kuthiwa wabuta ukuthi sona kabuka ngani Ntandla lomtseshi. Kusemagameni akhe uvikela ukuthi amalunga akhe akasuke esaba egameni lemzabalazo ngoba evele ngokwemvelo umzabalazo uhamba nekubulala. Lelikomishana ke licithile incazelo lavela athi akacolise.
You must never be scared to kill. A revolution demands that at some point there must be killing because the killing is part of a revolutionary act.
Lawa ngamavulenda ukuthi lekomishana malungelo elonu ne-EFF badonsana ngetihluthu. Leli komishana lifuna lomholo we-EFF ahocise lamanye alamagama befuthi acolise. Kapha i-EFF ithi leli komishana liwuhladiye kabi lombiko kanzi lenhlangano iphendule lekomishana ngesitatimende. Lenhlangano yathi ichitha iqiniselo ukuthi lomholi wayo uyaphephethelisa kungevani neludlame ngesikhathi lenhlangano nembuthano eNtshonalanga Kapa. Iphindze yathi tiphimiselo tamalema tithethwe ngesenxele.
The EFF must be known that it is not a playground for racists. That any racist that plays next to the EFF and threatens and beat up the membership and the leadership of the EFF, that is an application to meet your maker with immediate effect.
Leli commission lithi tiphimiselo ta Malema titibukisise kahle mayelana ukuthi lengikhuluma iphephetsekisi inzondo na. Bongani majwalo vela kuleli commission ubeke ngalena ndlela.
We have very carefully considered his statements and judged them against what the Constitution and the law provide, as well as what the judges in courts like the Constitutional Court have decided with regard to what constitutes hate speech. And we have come to the conclusion that these statements do encourage violence.
Le commission ifuna Malema acolise aphindze ahocise letinye tiphimiselo latenda kungakapheli amalanga la10 noma ovela enkantolo. Akusokwecala Malema avela enkantolo yemalungelo ekungalingani etinyangeni letinye letengcile lenkantolo yavuna iEFF ecaleni lelifanayo lebelimangalelwe iAfriForum.
Takumtasa algoa park sidlela semission vele gqibeka tishucela station semaphoyisa algoa park tibhikishela nsita emphakathini. Letakamtisi kungabonakala kumaphoyisa letinzawo kufaka sandla kunyekeni kwetigameko tekubulala kubamba inkunzi nekuthumba.
Takamuti tase algoa park Nelson Mandela Bay titsiniwe bugebengu lobendeka kule ndzawo. Lokuta ngemva kwekubulawa kwebantfu labanengi esikhatsini setinyanga letimbili. Letakamuti titsatsafuna kuhlala elivalweni.
7 o'clock you must close your gate and your doors because you don't know who's gonna come and kick your door and come in there. You see, the house breaking in Mission Vale is raising each and every day. Yes. And then in Mission Vale shooting is young people who are shooting each other.
Letakamuti tishucela emaphoyiseni endzawo kuvakalisa tikhalo tato.
We want an increased police visibility in our area. Currently, there is only one police van that is servicing Mission Vale, Algoa Park, and Sidwell. When we phone them, they always tell us, no, there's a shortage of manpower. That's one. The second thing was that we want a mobile police station in our area so that when crime happens, we know exactly where to go and report these crime issues. The last thing is that we want the removal of the station commander in Algoa Park Police Station with his entire leadership.
Emaphoyisa aniketwe amalanga la-7 ukuthi aphendvule kuletimfuno taletakamoti avumile ukuthi mkhulu umsebenzi lekumele wendiwe kulwisana nebugebengu kule ndzawo.
Umklamo lekuhloswe ngawo kuhlomisa tintsatseli letitjudeni temcebo phansi sowuhlele umbuthano wesine emva kokuma ngenxa ye-COVID-19. Imanager lezimo ihlanganisa takhe netintsatseli njalo kweminyaka ececeshwe eJozi bese kuphethelwa etimayini taseMpumalanga. Lenkampani imene etshala itimali temcebo phansi nyalo ithembisa kwenabela eNorthern Cape ukwendela kuvula emathuba emisebenzi.
Ukumbuka kwemigodi kwadlala indima ebalulekileyo ekuhlanguleni uqoqosho lwelizwe ngexesha lokumiswa ngqi kwentshukumo kunqandwa ulwamvila lokugilika nkqo kagawu legeca icorona. Icandelo lokuqeqeshwa kweintatheli lemena lixhobisa intatheli ezingompondo zihlanjiwe nomakoti kwicandelo loqala zive uqinisekisa ukusasazwa kwendaba ezinyanisekileyo ngendlela ukombuka kwamalahle okuchaphazela ngayo impilo yabahlali boMzantsi Afrika.
I-MJT inxalenye ye-MENA Academy kwaye idibanisa ingcaphephe zezemigodi kunye neentatheli ezihamba phambili kwezemigodi ukuze zabelane nolwazi kunye neentatheli ezinomdla kwi-mining okanye ezisafundayo ezingakabi nalwazi luninzi.
Inkampani etyala izimali kwimigodi eyomba amalahle KwaZulu-Natal, eGauteng naseMpumalanga inezicwangciso zokuqinisekisa ukuba elicandelo lithi gqo lokuvelisa imisebenzi ngelokugxotha ikateziko nokwehlisa intswelangqesho.
Sitimisele ukuthi ngomnyaka wa-2023 siqhubeka ukutshala timali sivule timali letimbalwa kuze ukuthi sakhe imisebenzi lengalingana letinkulungwane letimbili nemakhulu lasihlanu.
Kungekabikho irhasi eyaneleyo, inyukliya namandla ahlaziyekayo, izimbiwa sasa kuba ngumthombo othembekileyo wokuveliswa kwamandla kwilizwekazi iAfrika.
Kushone abantu labasiphohloko engotini ekushayisana kweloli ibuso nebuso nebhasi ithuta nasebuchabelo eFree State. Tiphasimandla tithile ngoti endeke ngesikhathi lomshayeli lo letama kwendlula lenye imoto.
Sekwendeke lenye ingodi emgwaqweni N8 lapho khona ibhasi bebuya eThabanju iya eBloemfontein ishayisene neloli. Le bhasi belayishe bagibela amashumi lasikhombisa kanti labanyeni kulawo labalimele kule ngoti balashwele khona lapho kwende khona le nhlekelele.
Let me firstly pass my condolences to those who have passed on. There was a terrible accident indeed, so it's a very painful and a sad accident.
Lawa mashumi lamathathu nesiphohlongo waphinyiselwa etibhedlela tiseBloemfontein, uChabelo naseThabanchu. Labathathu babalimele kakhulu kanti kusentshentiswe imishini emikhulu ukukhipha labo bebavalelekile. Amaphoyisa asaphenya licala kubulala ngaphandle kwenhloso.
Etimakethe elirandi lahlekelwe ngamandla licathaniswa netimali takhe labamnyama. Imidlalo boshambeni be-DStv Premiership Mamelodi Sundowns bafuna kuthatha i-Carling Black Label yalonyaka. Sundowns yobe idlala kokuqala lomqhudelwano FNB Stadium ngemigcibelo. Ama-President signal iqembu lenta kahle kulamalanga kanti lelive ke kanti ke afuna ukuchubeka lapho agcine khona.
Kutoba ngomnyaka welishumi usukela kwaqala umqhudelwano we-Carling Black Label, phambilini beqhudelana i-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs kepha lo mnyaka kutoba beqhudelana amaqembu lamane lokufaka ikhathi iMamelodi Sundowns ne-AmaZulu. I-Sundowns ibe sesigabeni sesithathu kumavoti lokukhomba kona ukuthi iqembu lesithathu lelinebalandzeli labaningi kuleli.
We as Mamelodi Sundowns are doing a hell of a lot of work behind the scenes, not just to grow the fan base. Because the fan base also grows because of the results. People want to be associated with winners. And so the work that we are doing on the pitch is the work that allows us to be able to put ourselves in a position where the fans are behind us.
Umdlali we-Sundowns Peter Shalulile lotibonakalisile ukuthi ngumgadi lo washayako emagoli angeke abe ingcenye yalo mqhudelwano.
When it comes to injuries, I very seldom speak about players that are unavailable. And the only reason I do that is because the energy and the emotions that I derive when I speak about a player that is unavailable are negative energies and negative emotions.
I-Sundowns itatfonsana tisihlutfu ne-AmaZulu sekugabence insimbi yemfica ekuseni. Kuthi umdlalo wesibili losemkhathini we-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Orlando Pirates uqale emini kanzi emancama atawudlala ngensimbi yesihlanu nzambama.
Sitibeka lapho thala umthethosihlalo sikhona simo selitulu usale kahle.